Every so often, something comes along in tech that doesn't just move the goalposts, it completely changes the game. We're going to dive into a breakthrough in AI that's about more than just being better. It's about a whole new way of thinking about intelligence, one that's faster, smarter, and built to create right alongside us. This is MiniMax M2.5. So, what's the big idea driving all this? It really boils down to this mission from the company, MiniMax, to co-create intelligence with everyone. Now, that's not just some nice-sounding phrase for a website. It's a real philosophy. It means building AI that doesn't just work for you, but truly works with you, like a genuine partner in whatever you're trying to build. Okay, so before we get to the main event, you kind of need to see the foundation this is all built on. MiniMax has been quietly but seriously mastering this entire stack of models. We're talking text, speech, video, images, even music. This deep, across-the-board expertise is pretty much the launch pad for everything that comes next. And all of that groundwork, it leads us right here to MiniMax M2.5. This is their brand new state-of-the-art model, and it's been specifically built to be an absolute beast in two key areas: coding and what we call agentic tasks. Let's break down what that actually means for you. So what exactly is M2.5 when you look under the hood? Well, it's a general model, so it can do a lot of things. But it's been totally re-engineered for one thing: performance in the real world. That high throughput, low latency bit. Just think of it like this. This isn't a delicate concept car. It's a Formula One engine designed to run flat out, all day, every day, handling tons of requests without breaking a sweat. The first major upgrade is its brain. We're talking stronger reasoning. And no, that doesn't just mean it knows more trivia. It's about connecting the dots in totally new and smarter ways. It can unravel really complex problems and find these elegant solutions where other models would probably just get tangled up. Second, the well of knowledge it draws from is just deeper, way deeper. It has access to a much richer, more diverse pool of information. So what does that mean for you? Well, you get answers that aren't just technically correct, but are actually nuanced, that get the context, and are just plain more accurate. And third, and okay, all you developers, listen up, because this one's for you, is its incredible precision with code. This thing is engineered to think like a software architect. It doesn't just spit out random code snippets. It understands the entire blueprint. It can build whole, solid software systems with clean, efficient design right from the start. All right, so that all sounds pretty amazing, right? But talk is cheap. MiniMax knows that. So now let's get to the proof. We're moving from the vision to the hard data. Let's see how M2.5 actually performs when the pressure's on. You know, out of all the incredible numbers, this is the one that really gets me. 1/10. It delivers this top-tier, state-of-the-art performance for a tenth of the cost of other leading models. Just think about that for a second. This isn't just making things a little cheaper, it's a total game changer for who can afford to build with world-class AI. And you might be wondering, how is that even possible? Well, it's not about cutting corners. It's about being smarter. Where an older model might take all these weird side streets to solve a problem, wasting time and energy, M2.5 sees the direct path. It gets to the solution with fewer, more precise steps. We call that token efficiency, and it's the secret sauce to getting better results way faster for a fraction of the cost. And for everyone who wants to see the receipts, here you go. M2.5 absolutely crushed it on something called the multi-SWE bench. Now, this is not an easy test. It's basically the Olympics for AI coding, testing how well it can handle complex software projects in a bunch of different languages. Hitting state-of-the-art here, that's the gold medal, period. But, you know, benchmarks are one thing. What does this power actually look like? Check this out. Everything you see here was created with a single prompt. A fully working e-commerce site for cat tunnels, a polished, ready-to-go consulting presentation, even an interactive 3D mountain vista you can actually explore. We're not talking about little bits of code here. We're talking about going from an idea to a finished thing just like that. So this is the crucial part. All this incredible power was designed from day one to be put directly into the hands of builders, of you. MiniMax has made sure that M2.5 is super accessible and easy to slot right into whatever workflow you're already using. And they've laid out 3 super clear ways to get started. Path 1, if you just want to get up and running fast, boom, there's a simple API. Path 2, for more complex projects, you can plug into their open platform. And Path 3, for all you power users who want total control, The whole thing is open source on Hugging Face and GitHub. Download it, run it on your own machine, your call. You see what they're doing here, right? This all boils down to one simple idea: empowering your choice. This isn't about locking you into their system. It's about giving you professional-grade tools and then the freedom to build your vision your way. And that brings us right back to where we started. By making a model this powerful, this efficient, and this open, MiniMax is making that mission a reality. The future of intelligence isn't some secret product being built behind closed doors. It's happening out in the open, and it's something we're all going to build together. So, the stage is set. The tools are more powerful, more affordable, and more accessible than they have ever been before. Which really leaves just one question for every single creator, builder, and dreamer out there. The tools are here. What are you going to build?